How to work as a aesthetic physiotherapist in Dubai or UAE. Hello everyone, you are listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar, and today I'm going to talk about how to work as an aesthetic physiotherapist in Dubai or UAE. Do you dream of working in the glamorous world of Dubai, helping people feel more confident and beautiful with their physiotherapy skills? Stay with me till then, because this video could change your life. Welcome to my channel, where I provide expert guidance on licensing and international career opportunities for physiotherapists. Today, we are diving into an exciting and rewarding world of aesthetic physiotherapy in UAE. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you have a bachelor's or master's degree in physiotherapy from a recognized institution. Without this foundation, you can't move forward in UAE's healthcare system. Second one, we'll talk about the experience requirements. Experience matters. You'll need at least 2 years of clinical experience in physiotherapy. And here's a pro tip, focus on aesthetic or cosmetic rehabilitation. Specializing early will set you apart. Step 3, here is Dataflow Verification. Next, apply for Dataflow Primary Source Verification or PSV. This process authenticates your educational and professional documents, which is crucial for licensing in UAE. You can easily start the process on Dataflow Group website. Step number 4, licensing exam. Now comes the big one. The licensing exam depends on where you want to work. You'll take either the TH exam for Dubai, MOH for other Emirates, or DOH for Abu Dhabi. Once you pass, you will receive your eligibility letter, the golden key to your career in UAE. Step 5, HCPC route for exemption. Want to bypass the licensing exams? If you are HCPC registered in UK, you might qualify for exemptions from both the DHA and MOH exam. This optional route could save you time and effort. Step 6 is aesthetic courses and certifications. To truly stand out, enhance your skills with short courses in aesthetic physiotherapy. Learn facial rehabilitation, post-cosmetic surgery, or lymphatic drainage. These certifications will make you the go-to expert in aesthetic clinics. Step 7 is about job search. Now it's time to land to your dream job. Search for opportunities in aesthetic clinics, hospitals, or healthcare centers. Use platforms like Naukri Gulf and LinkedIn. Don't forget, you can directly reach out to the clinics offering aesthetic physiotherapy services. Step 8 is visa and work permit. Once you secure a job, your employer will handle your work visa and residence permit. And just like that, you are officially ready to start your new life in UAE. An aesthetic physiotherapist in Dubai or UAE is a journey worth taking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career-changing content. See you in the next one.